What time are you watching this video right now? Join us as we step into a journey transforming raw cacao beans into golden artistic masterpieces today. Deep within the heart of Belgium's chocolate industry, a technological revolution is taking place, merging ancient natural harvests with the absolute pinnacle of modern engineering. Witness the incredible transformation as these humble, earthy beans enter a world of clinical precision where every single step is monitored by advanced artificial intelligence. The journey begins with massive robotic arms handling the raw cargo, ensuring that only the finest harvests proceed into the heart of this high-tech chocolate sanctuary. Every bean is subjected to high-resolution X-ray analysis, a rigorous quality control measure that guarantees the purity and integrity of the raw materials before processing. Using powerful air pressure systems, the beans are meticulously cleaned in slow motion, stripping away every impurity to reveal the clean, raw potential hidden inside. Precision is the ultimate key to flavor. Our advanced infrared roasting system ensures perfectly uniform heating, unlocking the deep aromatic profiles hidden within the cacao. The heat is managed by sophisticated AI sensors, maintaining the exact temperature required to develop the complex chocolate notes that define a truly world-class Belgian product. As the shells crack under infrared intensity, the essence of the chocolate is released, preparing the nibs for their next stage of mechanical refinement and transformation. Heavy silver rollers begin their rhythmic grind, pulverizing the nibs into a dense, dark cacao liquor that flows with a mesmerizing consistency through the factory pipes. This rich, velvety liquid represents the soul of the chocolate, where friction and pressure work together to create a texture that is exceptionally smooth and fragrant. The ultimate test of strength arrives as a hydraulic press exerts immense force, separating the most valuable component, the pure, golden essence known as cocoa butter. These precious golden drops flow like liquid silk, providing the essential richness and melt-in-your-mouth quality that distinguishes premium chocolate from all other standard confectionery products. Now we enter the chamber of patience. These massive silver conching tanks will knead the chocolate for 72 hours to reach a state of absolute perfection. The chocolate flows through elongated silver troughs, appearing like endless ribbons of dark silk as it moves toward the final stages of its sophisticated refinement process. During this extended process, the texture is refined down to 15 microns, which is thinner than a human hair, ensuring a sensation of pure luxury. Advanced robotic arms maintain a constant, hypnotic stir, removing any lingering acidity, and ensuring the flavor profile is perfectly balanced and consistently smooth throughout the batch. Tempering is a precise science where temperature is controlled to the fraction of a degree, aligning the cocoa butter crystals for that perfect, professional glossy finish. This delicate dance of heat and motion creates the structural integrity needed for a snap that is crisp and a surface that shines like polished mahogany, sterile. Molds glide down the line with mathematical precision, waiting to receive the liquid gold that has been refined through days of intense and careful processing. Robotic nozzles dispense the chocolate with milligram accuracy, ensuring every single bar has the exact weight and volume required for the highest standards of culinary excellence. As the molds fill, the air is thick with the rich aroma of premium cacao, signaling the birth of a new batch of world-class Belgian treats. The molds undergo high-frequency vibration, a critical step that eliminates tiny air bubbles and ensures a solid, dense structure for every single chocolate bar produced here. A precision hydraulic stamp marks each bar with the brand's iconic logo, carving a signature of quality into the dark. Smooth surface with absolute mechanical perfection. Automation ensures that even the smallest fragments are vacuumed away instantly, maintaining a pristine environment where only the perfect product is allowed to move forward. The bars now enter the cooling tunnel, a high-tech corridor where the temperature is dropped rapidly to lock in the temper and finalize the chocolate's structure. Liquid nitrogen mist swirls around the bars like a futuristic fog, creating a rapid cooling effect that preserves the glossy shine and ensures a satisfying snap. Emerging from the cold, the bars are now structurally perfect, possessing the characteristic hardness and resilience of premium dark chocolate crafted by master Belgian engineers. Laser sensors perform a final surface inspection, detecting even the microscopic scratches that the human eye might miss, ensuring that every bar is visually flawless. This level of scrutiny is what separates industrial production from true craftsmanship, where technology is used to uphold the highest possible standards of luxury and beauty. We now transition to the most exclusive part of the factory, the gold plating room, where chocolate meets the world of fine jewelry and high art. Nano-robotic arms, capable of movements measured in microns, prepare to handle the incredibly delicate and shimmering sheets of genuine 24-karat gold leaf for our bars. The gold leaf is so thin it almost floats, requiring the steady, vibration-free precision of advanced robotics to apply it without tearing or wrinkling the precious metal. As the gold meets the dark chocolate, a stunning contrast is born. The deep matte brown of the cacao provides the perfect canvas for the brilliant shine. Every detail of the gold leaf is captured in extreme macro, showcasing the exquisite texture that only real gold can provide to a luxury edible masterpiece. The synchronization of the robots creates a mechanical ballet, a harmonious blend of heavy industry and delicate artistry that defines the modern Belgian chocolate experience. A warm light sweeps across the finished bars, revealing a sparkle that is both intimidating and inviting, promising a taste experience that is truly beyond compare. This isn't just candy, it's a statement of opulence. The gold leaf is completely edible, adding a tactile dimension to the decadence of the rich cacao. The precision of the application ensures that the gold leaf stays perfectly in place, following every curve and line of the chocolate's carefully engineered physical form. In this quiet, sterile sanctuary, technology serves the senses, creating a product that is as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate. Each tray represents hours of processing and years of engineering, resulting in a collection of identical masterpieces ready to be shared with the most discerning connoisseurs. A final human touch ensures that every bar meets the standard of perfection, a bridge between the cold precision of machines and the warm passion of creators. Packaging begins with a vacuum seal, protecting the delicate gold leaf and the fresh aroma of the chocolate from the outside world until the moment of consumption. The bar is then wrapped in silver foil and encased in a sleek black sleeve, layers of protection that build anticipation for the luxury contained within. For the final touch, the bar is placed into a handcrafted wooden box, resting on a bed of velvet like a piece of fine jewelry from a boutique. Watching the boxes stack with perfect alignment is deeply satisfying, representing the conclusion of a journey that began on a humble tropical cacao farm far away. From a raw bean to a gold-plated masterpiece, this is the ultimate expression of Belgian chocolate expertise, where technology and tradition meet to create pure magic. We invite you to experience the pinnacle of chocolate craftsmanship. Would you like a piece? Share your thoughts in the comments and join our technological journey. Type 1 if you love this, or 0 if you don't. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next tech adventure.